Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. Actually, I have developed modules on basic electrical engineering like BEE 1.1 to 1.10 on magnetic circuit and electromagnetism. These models are for basic studies of magnetic circuit and electromagnetism. That is for brush up your knowledge on this topic. Then I have developed, rather than I can say I am developing these MCQs on magnetic circuit like part 1. This is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 like that. This will provide platform for your GATE examination and other competitive examinations. I am talking BEE GATE question on magnetic circuit and electromagnetic induction part 1. These questions are very simple for your competitive examination, and as we go for part 2, part 3, part 4, the difficulty level will increase. But part 2, part 3 will provide the basic knowledge. Our basic MCQ questions are there. Okay, so I had discussed also, and please see carefully. If you have any doubt, you can talk on mobile number given on this presentation and email also. Okay, so here left hand rule. The first finger indicates. You know what is the Fleming's left hand rule? Fleming's left hand rule means it is applicable for motors. It will provide. It will used motor is what is the purpose of motor? To convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. So electrical energy means one finger should give the direction of current. Mechanical energy means what? One finger will give the direction of magnetic force, and this energy conversion is possible in the magnetic fields. One finger will show the direction of field. Without magnetic field, not energy can't be converted from one form to another. So Fleming's left hand rule kya hai? You keep your left hand in such a way. First finger indicates the field. Second finger indicates the direction of current. Then thumb will show the direction of motion. So in Fleming's left hand rule, the first finger indicates. What is the first finger indicates? The field. Kahan hai field? Direction of field. A is the correct answer, right? This is the correct answer. Sorry. So A is the correct answer, right? Second question: which part of the magnetic path? Which part of the magnetic path requires largest MMF? Now please see here. You have core, coil, current. Current is not a part. Clear? So which part of the magnetic path requires largest MMF? You know L equal to what? MMF S equal to what? S equal to what? L upon mu 0 mu r A. This is the reluctance. S equal to L upon mu 0 mu r A. राइट सो किसका सबसे ज्यादा रिलक्टेंस रहेगा? रिलक्टेंस सबसे कम किसका रहेगा? फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर एयर गैप म्यू आर इज 1, म्यू आर इक्वल टू 1. if this is 1, so something upon 1 equal to maximum, this will be more, right? And for other say core, different types of core, mu r will not be 1, mu r may be 10, 100, 200, 500, whatever there. So as the mu r will increase, s will decrease. Clear? So here in the air gap, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? S equal to L upon mu 0 into A, mu r equal to 1. So flux equal to what? Flux equal to what? N I upon S. If S is more in the air gap, right, flux will be less. एंड फॉर द सेम वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लक्स, फॉर द सेम वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लक्स क्या होगा, अगर S ज्यादा है तो Ni शुड बी आल्सो मोर टू कीप द फ्लक्स कांस्टेंट ऑलवेज. सपोज करो यू आर डिजाइनिंग एनी मशीन, क्लियर. सो हम क्या करते हैं, एयर गैप कम से कम रखना चाहिए. एयर गैप ज्यादा हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, फ्लक्स कम होगा. फ्लक्स कोई भी मशीन 3 HP की मोटर है कहीं भी, चाहे एक लोकल मेड मैन्युफैक्चरर हो या वर्ल्ड का सबसे अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चरर हो, flux will be constant for 3 HP motor for same voltage. clear. so magnetic that flux constant होने के लिए क्या हो जाए, अगर air gap ज्यादा है तो mmf will also be more. इसका मतलब है that answer the magnetic which part of the magnetic path requires largest mmf, that is the A. clear. Third, in Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates. okay, middle finger. Fleming's right hand rule क्या है, it is used for generator. what is a generator, it will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. so first finger indicates the field. अगर यहाँ पर first finger पूछा होता तो what will be the answer, A. clear. second finger indicates the direction of motion, sorry, thumb indicates the direction of motion. then the second finger indicates the direction of EMF induced. so this is the answer. third का answer क्या है, in Fleming's right hand rule middle finger indicates the direction of EMF induced. that is the answer. okay, so next question I am going to talk. first I am going to rub it. okay, next question number 4. The force on a current carrying conductor moving in a magnetic field will be largest when its direction is. The force on a current carrying conductor F equal to what, B I L sin theta होता है. F equal to what, F equal to what, B into I into L, flux density into current into length of conductor into sine of theta. Magnetic force on a current carrying conductor moving in a magnetic field will be largest when its direction is. अब डायरेक्शन दिया है तो साइन थीटा दिया है, BIL साइन थीटा. साइन थीटा कब मैक्सिमम होगा, साइन 90 इज 1 कि साइन 0 इज 1, साइन 90 इज 1. इसका मतलब है 90 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री मींस व्हाट, एज द सेम एज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन, थीटा 0 हो गया. एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन 180 डिग्री हो गया. परपेंडिकुलर या C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. What is the C? Sorry. Fourth question. क्या है? Fourth question is what? Perpendicular to the magnetic field. यहाँ थीटा कितना हो जाएगा, 90 डिग्री. तो C is the correct answer. Question number 5. EMF or voltage can be induced in a conductor by. EMF or voltage will be induced in a conductor by, right, moving the wire near a magnetic, right, this is correct answer. moving the wire near a magnet. अगर वायर को मूव करोगे तो फ्लक्स कटेगा तो EMF इंड्यूस हो जाएगा. दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर. बी, मूविंग ए मैग्नेट नियर द कंडक्टर. आपने कंडक्टर को स्टेशनरी रखा और मैग्नेट को मूव किया, ये भी करेक्ट आंसर है. फिर सी, चेंजिंग द करंट इन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. दैट इज आल्सो ए करेक्ट आंसर. इसका मतलब है A B C ऑल करेक्ट, शुड एनी ऑफ द अबव. डी इज ए करेक्ट आंसर. सब करेक्ट है, इसका मतलब है आंसर इज डी. क्लियर. सिक्स्थ, a device that transform electrical energy into mechanical energy. yes, electrical to mechanical कौन कन्वर्ट करता है, B, मोटर, right. so correct answer is a motor. I am rubbing it. okay, question number 7. what is question number 7? when a current is flowing towards the observer, that is coming out of the plane of the paper, it is represented by. We have already discussed in theory, when the current is coming out towards us, it is represented by dot. Clear? So that answer is correct answer is A, dot. And अगर current हमसे दूर जा रहा है, away from us, it is represented by cross. Okay. Question number 8. In right hand thumb rule, curled finger indicates. Okay, we have discussed the right hand thumb rule. What is the right hand thumb rule? Hold a current carrying conductor in such a way thumb indicates the direction of current, then all these curled finger indicates the direction of flux. So what is the answer? A is the correct answer. In right hand thumb rule, curled finger indicates the direction of flux. 9. In case of right hand thumb rule used for solenoid, thumb indicates direction of current. In right hand thumb rule, hold the current carrying conductor in such a way thumb indicates the direction of current, right? Then all these curled finger indicates the direction of flux produced. Okay. Question number 10. In a magnetic field, strength due to long solenoid is given by H equal to what? No. H equal to Ni upon L, right? H equal to, we have discussed this formula. H equal to Ni upon L, ampere turn per meter. Unit is also important. So B is the correct answer, right? I'm rubbing it. Okay. Question number 11. How much will be the flux density? थोड़े से numerical type के question है ये. I'm going to discuss. How much will be the flux density in the Tesla units for flux of 45 microweber and through area is this one. So we know flux density B equal to what? Flux upon area. B equal to flux upon area. B flux is what? 45 micro means minus 10 raised to power minus 6 upon what is the area is given 6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 it is given. So it is minus 2.45 upon 6. You can use the calculator. I'm just using the calculator. And I'm getting the answer 0.075. That is A answer is correct. You can use the calculator. You will get answer. Right? So flux density B equal to flux upon area. You will get 0.075. Just use the calculator. Okay. Next question number 12. 12. Question number 12. A 200 tons coil having axial length of 30 mm and a radius of 10 mm is provided in a magnetic field having a flux density of 0.8 Tesla. If the coil carries a current of 0.5 ampere, the torque acting on the coil will be they are asking torque. What is a torque? Torque equal to होता है force into radius in Newton meter, right? Torque equal to force into radius in the Newton meter. Now force is not given, so force equal to what? Force equal to in a magnetic field क्या होता है? Force equal to B into I into L, BIL. So by using this F equal to BIL you can calculate, then torque equal to F into R. So torque equal to क्या हो जाएगा? B F equal to BIL into R. B is what? B flux density 0.8. I कितना है? What is the I? Current of 0.5 L is given 30 mm. Axial length of one turn है 30 mm. How many turns are there? 200. So into actually ये 30 mm एक टर्न्स की लेंथ है, तो 200 टर्न्स है, 200 into 30. Now 30 mm I don't want in mm, I want in meter. So minus 10 raised to power minus 3. That is what F हो गया. F equal to BIL into radius. What is the radius of the pulley into radius कितना दिया है? 10 mm. So into 10 mm को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करो. 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3 6.6 10 raised to power minus 6. Use the calculator. 0.8 into 0.5 into 200 into 30 into 10 exponential minus कितना 6. I am getting 0.8 into 0.5 into 200 into 30 into 10. Just wait, something is wrong. 0.8 into 0.5 into 200 into 30. That is our correct answer. नहीं आ रहा. BIL 0.8 into current is what 0.5 into 200 tons into 30 into 10. 0.028 into 2 0.048 into 2 और करना है आपको, because this is the 200 tons coil having axial length of 30 mm. So okay, how many tons are there? Okay, next question. What is the magnitude? Just wait. What is the magnitude? Question number 13. What is the magnitude and direction of force per 1.1 meter length of a pair of conductors and direct current line carrying 10 ampere and spaced 100 mm apart? So that is a question. So what is the magnitude of current? So here, what is the magnitude of current? Force equal to F equal to what? If you solve it, you will get 2 into 10 raised to power 7. That is the formula we have. Simplify किया actually वो 1/4 pi mu 0 into mu r like that. So I'm getting 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Two conductors are there in parallel, so it is I square upon x, length between these two, into the length. That is the answer. Okay, so it is what? 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 into what? करंट कितना है? 10 एम्पियर. So 10 का square of that current upon x is what? X is what? 100 mm apart. 100 mm मतलब 1 meter. 1 into clear upon what? Length is what? 1.1 length. So if you solve it, you will get 2 into 100 into 1.1 exponential minus 7. Sorry, something is wrong. 100 mm दिया है. 100 mm मतलब 0.1. 100 mm is 0.1. So this is the answer. 2 into 100 into 1.1 upon 0.1, this into 10 raised to power minus 7. So it is 22 into 10 raised to power minus 5. You will get that correct answer is D. Okay. So D answer is okay. Next is the okay. Question number 14. What is question number 14? If energy stored in a coil is to be doubled, then how much current should be increased? अगर आपको energy store double करना है, so what is the current आपको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Energy stored equal to what? Sorry. Energy stored equal to what? Suppose करो energy stored आपका पहले 1 है. 1 joule equal to what? 1 by 2 L. Sorry, something is wrong. Okay, sorry. This is not a question. 14 question number I want to discuss, right? Question number 14 I want to discuss, right? So energy stored, suppose करो I want to store 1 joule energy equal to what? 1 by 2 L I square. 1 by 2 Li square equal to 1 joule. Now what they say, they are saying that if you want to double the energy means you have to make it double 2. In place of 1 joule it is 2. So क्या फार्मूला होगा? 1 by 2. How much current means inductance is same L. I equal to क्या करना है आपको? बढ़ाना है. तो I want to K times I want to increase. So maybe K whatever there I don't know, but it is 1 K I square. I want to increase the current. So ये 1 by 2 L I square कितना है? 1 है ना? Equal to what? 2 equal to 1 by 2 K square into sorry K square बाहर लिया into 1 by 2 L I square. इसको अगर if you solve it K square बाहर लिया, तो इसको छोड़ दो, के स्क्वायर बाहर लिया तो क्या आएगा 1/2 li². 1/2 li² क्या है, you know 1/2 li² इक्वल टू क्या है 1 है, so it is 1. So k equal to what, k square equal to 2, so k equal to what, under root of 2. You will get 1.414, राइट. इसका मतलब क्या है, आपको you have to increase the current by, you have to make the current of 1.414 means you have to increase the current by 0.414 means 41% से आपको करंट को बढ़ाना है. If you increase the current by 41%, your energy will be doubled, right? So that is the correct answer. This is given the idea how to get the answer, okay? And once your concept is clear to how to get your answer, you can solve any problems, okay? So I'm going to rub it. Next question, number 15. What is the 15 question number 15? EMF of 16 volt is induced in a coil of inductance 4 Henry equal to what? Sorry. EMF equal to what? Equal to what? L di by dt. E equal to L di by dt. E is given 16 volt. Clear? Inductance is given 4 volt. EMF 16 volt is induced in a coil of inductance 4 Henry. The rate of change of current कितना आएगा? di by dt, rate of change of current कितना आएगा? 16 upon a 4 यहाँ आएगा 4. So answer is 4 ampere per second. That is the correct answer, D. That is the rate of change of current. Okay, 4 ampere per second. So 4 into 4 16 हो जाएगा, right? Next question number 16. A core of a coil has length of 200 millimeter. Length is given. Sorry. Length is given 200 mm. The inductance of the coil 6 millihenry. L is given. If the core length is doubled, all other quantity remaining the same, the inductance will be, what is the inductance? So we know the formula, length is given, inductance is given, number of turns is not given. So L equal to, what is the formula? We know the definition of self-inductance. L equal to what? N square. N is, it is not given. N is not given, but I don't want. I want to change. पूछना N square upon S. N square upon length. S क्या होता है? Length upon mu 0 mu r a. That is the S. So L equal to what? N square upon length into mu 0 mu r a, right? इसका मतलब inductance is inversely proportional to length. Clear? So if you other quantities are remaining same and you are increasing the length, double कर रहे हैं, it is inversely proportional to the inductance will be half. अगर इसको डबल करेंगे, इसको 3 टाइम्स बढ़ाएंगे तो ये 3 टाइम्स से कम हो जाएगा, राइट? सो लेंथ इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द, सॉरी, इंडक्टेंस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ. अगर लेंथ को आप डबल कर रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इंडक्टेंस हाफ होगा. हाफ मींस व्हाट? इनिशियली इट वाज 6 mm, 6 मिली हेनरी, सॉरी. सो अभी क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ हो गए 3 मिली हेनरी. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. ओके, आई एम रबिंग इट. Okay. Question number 17. What what is question number 17? The self inductance of two coils are 8 millihenry and 18 millihenry self inductances, and if the coefficient of coupling 0.5, the mutual inductance of the coil, we know K equal to coupling coefficient equal to M upon root L1 L2. We know this formula K, coupling coefficient K equal to M upon root L1 L2. So M equal to what? K root L1 L2. So just we have to put the value. K is given 0.5. L1 is given 8 or L2 is given 18. And please here, no need to convert into Henry. It is given 8 millihenry है, it is 8 millihenry, so M will also be in millihenry. अगर आप convert करते हैं तो your answer will be in Henry, but difficult हो जाएगा. So no need to convert. So 8 into 18 under root, just using the calculator. 8 into 18, that is the answer. Under root of that is 12 into 0.5. Your answer is 6 millihenry. So this is the correct answer, 6 millihenry. Okay, you have to use the calculator, you will get 6 millihenry. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Sorry. Next question, 18. Question number 18. The energy in joules is stored in a magnetic field of 0.15 Henry inductance with 180 millihenry current. We know energy stored equal to 1 by 2 Li square, right? एक और होता है energy stored in a magnetic field in terms of B and H per volume. So energy stored per volume equal to 1 by 2 B into H था. So वो क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, but energy stored is 1 by 2 Li square. 1 by 2 L is given कितना है 0.15 Henry and I is given 180 milli means 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, इसका square. If you use the calculator, I'm just using the calculator. So I'm getting the answer B, that is 2.43 into 10 raised to power minus 3. That is the correct answer. Okay, so these are the questions. Now question number, I'm going to talk about the 19, question number 19. Just I'm rubbing it. Okay, so question number 19. What is a 19? A coil with negligible resistance has 50 volt. Coil has negligible resistance. Resistance is not given. 50 volt across it with 10 milliampere. The inductive reactance, actually ये थोड़ा सा अगले वाला यूनिट के लिए था, but I am going to talk here. So Z in case of Z equal to V upon I. V upon I. V is given 50 volt or I is given 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 because it is given in milliampere. Z, but Z में क्या होता है, दो पार्ट होते हैं, एक R और एक X, inductive reactance XL, and here they have given negligible resistance. Negligible resistance मतलब R is not there, so only X, इसको बोलते हैं inductive reactance, X equal to this, ये वाला आंसर है. So 50 upon 10, that is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3, it is 5000. That is the D is the correct answer, right? So 19 का D answer is correct. 20. So I'm writing it. 20. Average voltage of 10 volt. 20. Average voltage of 10 volt is induced in a 250 turns solenoid as a result of change in flux. You are changing the flux as a result of change in flux, which occurs in 0.5 second. The total flux changes. So we know the average EMF induced equal to क्या होता है? Equal to N d phi by dt. एक और होता है equal to L di by dt. Equal to L, यहाँ L आ जाएगा di by dt. So you can use this formula, but L is not given. They have given N. So E is given. E कितना दिया है? 10 volt. N is given 250 turns. Okay, 10 into 250 turns solenoid as a result of change in flux. So it is d phi by dt is given 0.5, right? So E equal to N d phi by dt. E is given 10 volt, N is given 250 turns, d phi they have to ask and they are asking it, and dt is given 0.5. So you will get 10 into 0.5, d phi equal to what? D phi equal to what? 10 into 0.5, that is 5 upon A250. So 1 upon 50. 1 upon 50 means 0.02. That is the correct answer is D. Right? So 20 का answer D है, 0.02 Weber. Okay. Next. Question number 21. 21. What is the 21? Three pure inductances are connected in such a fashion that inductance 1.2 Henry and 0.6 Henry are connected in 1.2 and 0.6 Henry are connected in parallel, and this combination is connected in series with 0.4. Clear? Okay. Assume that there is no mutual inductance. Then the equivalent inductance of the coil. So L equal to क्या होगा? Two inductance they are connected in parallel. So क्या आएगा? कौन-कौन से 1.2? So L1 into L2 upon L1 plus L2. If they are in parallel, जैसे रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में होते तो क्या होता है? R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Similarly, L1 into L2 upon L1 plus L2. And this combination connected in series with the L3. That is the answer. So L1 into L2 1.2 into 0.6 upon 1.2 plus 1.6 1.8 प्लस ये कॉम्बिनेशन सीरीज विद L3 मतलब कितना 0.4. So if you cut 1 A3 A2 4.4 plus 0.4 0.8. 0.8 is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Clear? So in this way you can solve it. So these two are connected in parallel. So this into this upon this plus this. 1.2 into 0.6 upon 1.2 plus 0.6. So obviously parallel combination का जो resistance होगा या inductance होगा जो भी होगा वो इसकी minimum value से कम होगा. So 0.4 आ रहा है. 0.4 and 0.4 in series. So 0.8 is the correct answer, right? Okay. Next question, I'm going to talk 22. 22. Two 300 microhenry connected in series, right? Two 300 microhenry connected in series without mutual coupling. So there is no mutual inductance. So total inductance is what? L equal to what? L1 plus L2. Both are equal. Plus or minus 2m. That is the answer. If these two coils connected in series in the same direction, that is in the cumulatively, so plus आता है. If these two coils connected in series differentially, it is minus sign. Clear? That is a formula. But यहाँ पर without mutual inductance is given. Mutual inductance, this term is not there. So what is the L equal to L1 plus L2? L1 is 300, L2 is 300. So 300 plus 300, it is 600 microhenry. That is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 23. Rubbing it. 23. Okay. The current changes from 8 ampere to 12 ampere in 1 second. Current changes from 8 ampere to 12 ampere in 1 second. Induced voltage is 20 volt in a coil. The value of inductance. What is the answer? What is the question? E equal to what? L di by dt. That is the formula. E equal to L di by dt. कितना वोल्ट इंड्यूस कर रहा है? 20. इक्वल टू इंडक्टेंस की वैल्यू दे आर आस्किंग एल. डी आई कितना है? 8 to 12 मतलब 4. चेंज ऑफ करंट 8 एम्पियर टू 12 एम्पियर. व्हाट इज द चेंज इन 4 अपॉन dt कितना है? इन 1 सेकंड. 1 second. So what is the L value of L equal to 4 upon 4? 4. 20 upon 4 5. So L equal to what? 5 Henry. That is the correct answer. C. C is the correct answer, right? So it is what? 5 Henry. Okay. I'm rubbing it. Okay. Question number 24. What is it? 24? The inductance L1 and L2 are connected in series cumulatively. Please hear that word cumulatively across the A and B. What is the total inductance? Formula is what? L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Yes, this is the correct answer. Two coils connected in series cumulatively. So what is the inductance? L equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. अगर यहाँ पर differentially होता तो क्या आंसर होता? L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Right? A और B तो is wrong है. Okay? So cumulatively C correct है. Differentially होता तो D correct होता. Next question number 25. Tesla is the unit of flux density. कहाँ है ये? C answer. Tesla is the flux density. Flux density क्या होता है? Flux per unit area which is perpendicular to the field. Flux मतलब वेबर per meter square. So इसका दूसरा यूनिट क्या है? वेबर per meter square या Tesla. That is the question number 25. Okay. Now I have developed all these part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. I am going to develop part 5, part 6 like this later on also. So all will have 25 questions, few theoretical and some mathematically. So I am going to develop this series for all the units, basic electrical engineering. Later on I will develop for network analysis, then electrical machines, then control system, like that. Okay, control system 1, control system 2. I am planning for 4 subjects, first for 4 subjects, and then I'll try to develop for other subjects also. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully, and these are the answers if you feel. Okay.